Formation of a company. The formation of a company is a structured process that involves several legal and procedural steps. It is necessary to ensure that a company is legally recognized and operates within the framework of business laws. The process of forming a company can be divided into 4 stages. 1. Promotion. 2. Incorporation. Registration. 3. Capital subscription. 4. Commencement of business. Let's discuss each stage in detail. 1. Promotion. Promotion is the first step in the formation of a company. It involves planning and arranging everything needed to start a business. The person who takes the initiative to start a company is called a promoter. The responsibilities of a promoter include identifying a business idea and deciding on the type of company, arranging necessary funds and resources, selecting the name of the company, preparing essential documents like the Memorandum of Association, MOA, and Articles of Association, AOA, appointing directors and other officials. A promoter is responsible for making the initial decisions about the company and ensuring compliance with legal formalities. Second, incorporation, registration of the company. Incorporation is the legal process of registering the company with the Registrar of Companies, ROC. A company gets its legal identity only after incorporation. To register the company, the following documents must be submitted to the ROC. 1. Memorandum of Association, MOA. It defines the objectives, scope, and fundamental conditions of the company. Second, Articles of Association, AOA. It contains rules and regulations for the internal management of the company. Third, Declaration by promoters. A declaration confirming that the company complies with the legal requirements. Details of directors. Information about the company's first directors. 5. Address of the registered office, the official address of the company. Once the ROC verifies and approves the documents, the company receives a certificate of incorporation. This certificate is proof that the company is legally registered and can now exist as a separate legal entity. Third, capital subscription for public companies only. If the company is a public limited company, it must raise capital by issuing shares to the public. The steps involved in this stage include 1. Approval from SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. A public company must get approval before offering shares. 2. Issuing a prospectus, a document that provides details about the company and invites the public to invest. 3. Receiving applications. Investors apply for shares, and the company allots them accordingly. 4th, minimum subscription. At least 90% of shares must be subscribed for the company to proceed. A private limited company does not need to go through this stage because it raises funds privately. 4th, commencement of business, for public companies only. After raising capital, a public company must obtain a certificate of commencement of business from the ROC. This certificate is issued after verifying that the company has raised the required capital. Directors have confirmed compliance with all legal formalities. Once this certificate is received, the company can start its business operations legally. For a private limited company, the business can start immediately after incorporation and does not require a separate certificate. Conclusion: the formation of a company is a systematic process that ensures the business is legally recognized and properly structured. It involves 1. Promotion, planning and decision-making by promoters. 2nd, incorporation, registering the company with the government. 3rd, capital subscription, raising funds only for public companies. 4th, commencement of business, getting approval to start operations only for public companies. Once these steps are completed, the company can legally operate, enter into contracts, and conduct business transactions.